You know you're in Antrazook when you see such tomatoes hanging. Check these out, they're looking beautiful. So now, here is a very big pruning question that I need to ask. Now you can see this is the main leaf. This is the main branch, and of course here also we have a lot of tomatoes happening, right? And this is a sucker which I forgot to prune when it was small. Now if I can come a little closer, sorry for the bad quality of camera. Now if you look at it, these little fruits have already formed in the flowers which has bloomed. Now the question is, should I remove the sucker now so that these main fruits which are here right now can grow nicer and bigger and stronger, and you can see some fruits are still forming here. So tell me, what should I do? My tomato patch is looking good. It's cold, it's becoming colder and colder, and you can see some leaves have already started showing the sign of being old. So tell me what to do. I will await for your answer. Cheers.